Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about 2019 Standard Maths exam question number 19. This question is from basic data and statistics. The question is giving you heights of 10 players from a basketball team, and the heights are sorted in ascending order from shortest to the highest. And then what it's asking you is if the height of the shortest player is an outlier. So let's take out this question and see how we can solve it. So here we have the question. So first thing that you need to work out here is to determine an outlier. First, you need to know what is an outlier, right? So the question is asking you whether the shortest one is he an outlier or not. So first we need to determine what is an outlier. So an outlier is a value which is where Q1 minus 1.5 times interquartile range. So where the value is less than Q1 minus 1.5 times interquartile range. Now, what is Q1 and what is interquartile range? So Q1 is the 25th percentile, and interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. What is Q3? Q3 is 75th percentile. So how do you work out these percentiles when you're given this data? So for Q1 and Q3, we'll work out like this. You've got 10 players. These are 10 values. So we can break these up into 5 and 5 values, right? So 5 on this side, 5 on this side. Middle of this, which is this number, two values are here, 2 are here, so this is the middle. And then this middle is here. So this would be the 25th percentile, and this would be the 75th percentile, because this is the 50th, this is the middle. So middle of the middle on this side is 25th, middle of the middle on this side is 75th, right? So once you know these two values, you can work out what is the interquartile range. So the interquartile range would then be 194 minus 185, so which is equal to 9. Now we work it out whether this statement is true. So what is the shortest value? 170. So we need to determine whether this 170 is less than Q1 minus 1.5 times interquartile range. Q1 is 185, right? So 185 minus 1.5 times 9. So this comes out to be, if you solve this comes out to be 171.5. So 170 is less than 171.5. So this is true. So we can say yes, it is an outlier.